Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I have for you a simple and very easy Christmas door hanger. For this wreath, you're going to need some of the Walmart or Dollar Tree large shatterproof Christmas ornaments. And you really need 6 of them or 7. All I could find was 4, but you really need more than that. And then you need some big, large Christmas picks, and you'll want some that are pretty sturdy. You're also going to need some 10-inch Deco mesh and some ribbon to get started. The pick on the left, the berry pick, came from Hobby Lobby, and the 2 candy cane picks came from a local boutique. So you're going to want to fluff your picks, place the taller one down first, then place the other 2 on top of it, and you're going to want to zip tie your little swag or bouquet together. The reason you need some more sturdy picks is because basically you're using your picks as your base to make this door hanger or swag. Next, I'm just taking a zip tie and zip tying the 3 picks together. Now you'll want to make sure and get your zip tie nice and tight because you're going to be using the zip tie to it's going to hold your Christmas ornaments. Next, you're going to take your 10-inch Deco mesh, let out a long tail, make a loop, pinch it tightly in your left hand, let out some more Deco mesh, make another loop the same size as your first loop, and then you're going to let out a longer tail. Now remember, Deco mesh curls up, so if you want it to hang down further, then make sure you let out quite a bit of tails because it does curl. A Deco mesh bow will look so pretty. You don't have to add the other 2 wired ribbons if you don't want to, but I decided to add some more ribbon on top of the Deco mesh. So I just let out a long tail, and this is some ribbon that I got at Sam's Club earlier this year. So let out a tail, place it over the top of the Deco mesh, make a loop, then you're going to go the other side, make another loop, about the same size as your first loop. Now I did not make my loops as big as I did the Deco mesh bow. So just go back and forth, trying to make the loops the same size on each side until you get the bow the size you want. Make sure you keep it nice and tight in your left hand, and then you're going to want either some floral wire or a zip tie to wrap nice and tight around your bow when you get it finished. Next, I took some fishing line and I just threaded my shatterproof Christmas ornaments on the fishing line, and then I just tied them all together. Now when you attach it to your swag or door hanger, you're going to need some tiny zip ties. That way you can attach them where you want them to hang on your floral picks, and that way it just stays in place. I think my door hanger would have looked a lot prettier if I had had 2 or 3 more Christmas ornaments to add to it, but this is all I could find because it's only 5 days until Christmas. To attach my ornaments, I just threaded the fishing line underneath the zip tie that's on the floral picks and just tied it on. Now remember, you're going to want some tiny zip ties so you can place the ornaments where you want them to hang. And then I threaded a piece of floral wire under the zip tie on the bow, that way I could attach it to the swag. I used this wire to make a loop to be able to hang my swag up. There's probably an easier option or a better way, but that way I could get it to hang straight up and down. So I just used my bow wire to hang up my swag on my door. And when you're adjusting your ornaments, you'll probably need to hang it up and carry some little zip ties. That way you can see how it's going to hang when it's hanging on your door or wherever you're placing it. And you could also add a little bit of hot glue to hold your Christmas shatterproof ornaments in place if you wanted to. And so there's the loop I made. I hope you like this Christmas door hanger. It's something a little bit different and a little bit fun. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And it's only 5 days until Christmas. I cannot believe it, and I am so excited. So I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas.